Om Namah Shivaya. Episode 81, Chapter 14, verses 14 to 16. Guna's effect in our next life. Verse 14 tells that when Sattva predominated at death, what our next life will be. First, when we the Jivas, the one obtains in this body, dies, when Sattva Guna has increased, Yada Sattve Pravritte tu Pralayam Yanti Deha Prit. The type of thinking that dominated our life all along will prevail at the time of death. If our life had been predominantly sattvic, then Sattva Guna will predominate at the time of death. Second, then we will gain the world that is free from impurity, of those who know the highest. Tada uttamam vindam lokan amalam pratipadyate. As we have lived a matured life to become sattvic, naturally we gain the world of those who know the highest. Therefore, when we die, we gain the world that is not fraught with pain, like heaven. The first half of verse 15 states, having died when Rajas was predominant, we are born among those committed to action. Rajasi pralayam gatva karma sangishu jayate. Only we human beings are concerned about our future. We commit ourselves to gain various ends and go on accumulating wealth, not only for our future, but also the future of our children and grandchildren. Having died, then we are again born among those who are committed to action. The second half of verse 15 states, and so too, those who died when tamas predominates are born in the wombs of those who have no discriminative faculty. Tata pralinas tamasi Muda yonishu jayate. In our next birth, we will be born in the wombs of those creatures who are steeped in delusion, like animals. In the animal kingdom, tamas always predominates, and because of that, we lack self-consciousness, and we inherit all its accompanying problems. Every human being has enough sattva to make us self-conscious and enough rajas and tamas to cause confusion. From this we understand that we can make sattva predominant over the other two by cultivating values and discipline called yoga. The whole process of growth is nothing but to make sattva predominant. Then only we can go beyond the gunas to become gunatitas, to know the joy of being free, being not bound by the gunas. Verse 16, Sri Krishna briefly summarizes the effect of the gunas in our present and future lives. First, when all our lives, all our actions are good, the results are connected to sattva that are pure and devoid of distress. Sukritasya karmanam sattvikam nirmalam phalam. As a result, we enjoy a life that is relatively free from pain in this life. And when we die, we gain a world that is free from pain called heaven. We enjoy the pleasures of heaven for some time And if we have enough punyas, Lord Brahma will teach us the knowledge of Brahman to be liberated. If we do not have enough punyas, we enjoy the pleasures of heaven, and when our punyas gets exhausted, we return to earth, we take another human birth, and we are given another opportunity to gain the knowledge of Brahman. Only the knowledge of Brahman liberates to make us go beyond the gunas, to become gunatitas. Second, the result of action born of rajas is pain. Rajasa tu phalam dukkham. Rajas impels us to do action that causes great pressure. Being under great pressure, our actions can also become unrighteous. Thereby we incur sin and experience pain in a varieties of discomfort. Third, the results of action born of tamas is ignorance. Ajnanam tamasa phalam. We are born in forms which have rudimentary knowledge only. Being tamasic like animals means we are in bondage and we do not know we are in bondage. When we do not know we are in bondage, how are we going to get out? However, even as a tamasic person, we enjoy occasionally sattvic qualities, and we can use that opportunity to go beyond the gunas to become gunatitas. At verse 16, we shall take a break, and next Sri Krishna is going to teach us how to go beyond the gunas to become gunatitas. Please like, subscribe, and share these episodes with your friends and loved ones. So till then, Om Namah Shivaya.